Step-by-step guide to hand washing a face covering. Recommendations from the World Health Organization. Fill sink with hot water. Add about 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent. Scrub mask in soapy water with hands. Drain soapy water and rinse mask. Hang it up to let air dry. You can also use household bleach to hand wash your face covering. If you have bleach, here are the recommendations from the CDC. Mix 4 cups of water with 4 teaspoons of household bleach. Be sure to follow this ratio, as too much bleach can burn your hands. Never mix household bleach with ammonia or any other cleansers. Be sure to use gloves when handling the mask in the bleach solution to protect your hands. Soak mask in bleach solution for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Hang up the mask to let air dry. It is recommended that you wash your cloth face covering after each use. You can help protect yourself and your community from COVID-19 by wearing a cloth face covering and by taking care to wash it after each use. Stay safe and stay healthy.